Okay folks, this is DIY Dave here once again back in the key programming mode. This is the companion video to the one I just made on using the Autel AP200 to program an ignition key for a Corolla, 2013 Toyota Corolla. This part of the video is going to involve programming the remote portion of the key, the remote access button, the unlock, lock, and trunk release portion, which does not require the Autel AP200. There is a really long set of instructions that I got off of a couple of different places on the internet that I believe should work for this car, but we're not sure, so we're going to find out. They do not require a special programming tool. You have to operate the car a certain way in order for it to recognize it. So we're going to try to go through these steps. There is a bit of time sensitivity in these steps, but we'll try to go through them relatively intelligently. We have a little bit of wind here, so I'm going to try to keep these instructions from blowing away. Number one, you start this process with the driver's door open, and you need to be aware that there is a button over here on the left side to open and close the door several times, and what they're really wanting to do is to get this button right here to engage. So I'm just going to, when they say to, if I say to close the door and open it, I'm really saying press this button. That's the actual effect of what they're doing. So we'll go ahead and get this started now. Okay, we're ready to start. We're going to start by opening the driver's door. We have no key in the ignition. We take the master good key, put it into the ignition, in and out twice, but don't start it. In and out once, in and out twice. Close and open the driver's door twice. I'm going to press the door switch. There's one press, two presses. Okay, put the key in the ignition, don't start it, and then remove. Close and open the driver's door twice again. One, two. Put the key in the ignition, close the driver's door. Turn the key from off to on to off one time. Remove key. The lock's just cycled.
Now the top and bottom.
Now we press the lock and unlock keys for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. One to grow on. And the door cycles. Press lock on new remote. The locks have cycled. We just confirmed that they've been programmed. And now let's test it. We've unlocked. Perfect. That locks it. We've unlocked it. We now hit it a second time to unlock the other key. We now can hit this button. And we've unlocked the trunk. We have now successfully programmed this key with these instructions. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and put these instructions in the list on the text in the bottom of the video so you can print them out and follow them yourselves. It might take a couple of times through because sometimes the instructions are a little finicky. And if you don't do them just right, the car will bark at you. But it is possible to completely program this key fob. If you're interested in the first half of the video where we programmed this particular key to start the ignition to create the spare, we'll put a link to that video in here, so that's the other half. So these two videos work together to show how you can do a complete remote program and get yourself a complete working remote and ignition key without going to a dealer or having to pay a locksmith to program it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you get some use out of it. Put your comments and questions, subscribe, like, and let us know what you think about these videos, and I hope they're helpful to you. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.